Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect. And in today's video, it's the Planner Perfect Planner Journal subscription box. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, listen, I wanted to just kind of share with you a little bit of, why I chose what I chose to paint for the subscription box for Planner Perfect in February 2024. Listen, if you're new to me, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here and joining and, want to join the community and sticking around for just a little bit. I founded Planner Perfect for women to be able to write a better story for their lives. We are here I am here to encourage you and inspire you to write a better story, to keep going, to get your breakthrough, to work through your spirituality, to understand who you are in Christ so that you can be an overcomer because you know who you are. And so we're using our gifts, our talents, we're scripting a better life because when you can visualize what you really want and desire and who you are and what you want, it'll come to fruition for you. So welcome. I am so happy that you're here. When I did this February box, okay, now I've done many a February box, but I love this box. It really turned out great. It's one of the journal that I did, the painting for the journal, is something different that I haven't done before. So very red and pink themed. I used acrylics for this. Without further ado, I think you're going to absolutely love it. Let's take a sneak peek. Okay, here we are. It comes in a beautiful box here. And it has a dust cover for the planner and journal, so they're protected. And it comes with 3 rolls of washi tape that is unique to Planner Perfect. A lot of times it is my artwork. And then there are stickers, which is my art, and also obviously for the planners and journal, and also tip-ins, which are these cards that you can use for absolutely anything, but they're made to be able to tip inside your planner, and you can use them as a decor piece, or you can also use it to write on the back as an addendum. You can give them away. There's always a calendar involved in there, but it's just beautiful pieces of work to be able to tip into your planner to be able to inspire you in your planning life. So, and we don't just plan in any old way over here. We are planning with intention, not just a to-do list of things we have to do. We're planning a life that is solely based on intentional living, our purpose, our talent, and our calling, and then writing a life from that point of view. Okay, so, and that takes room, and you can't write in boxes. So the whole planning system with Planner Perfect is developed around that method. So let's go ahead and take a look of what we got here. I'm going to kind of take it away so you can't see. I'm going to go ahead, and I like to start with just the planner and journal first and just going right at it because everything else would be a giveaway anyways. So here is the February planner, and there is the journal. I've done this before where I have done like a January art. Actually, last year was with, floral art. And February, though, is so much a beautiful floral season. In terms of, we always give flowers for February and love and hearts and all of that. So I wanted to incorporate that. And I just love the whole idea of love with florals and around it. And I hope you guys also love it because it's you I'm painting for. So, but again, I'm always kind of going off of what I fancy and what I think you guys will love. I love the font that I chose for February. And I just love how this whole thing looks. I think it's sophisticated. I think it's gorgeous and something that will make you want to dive in to go plan in it. I love the back that I chose because of the letters of love which really coincided with this. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And I hope you do too. Again, this is acrylic. And got to have the daisy in there, right? So you're writing a better story with your intentions. You've got your goal pages. Again, you need room. You got a week in a glance, and then here's where you begin your scripting. I chose dot grid. This is an A5 size. You have choice for inside your sub box. You can do blank, dot, or grid. Now I'm going to also be showing you soon with this week, how I do my brush lettering for my days of the week. And also a plan with me. So be staying tuned this week. This next coming week. So here is this beautiful gnome. I've never done gnomes before. I actually am not a huge fan of gnomes. I've never been a fan of a gnome, never owned a gnome, but I will tell you this. I'm in love with this gnome. I was like, you know what? To me, he just seems perfect for February and love and Valentine's Day. And got inspired to make one of these, and I'm in love with him. I hope you are too. He's absolutely stunning, and I'm in love. I think he turned out perfect. He goes so well with the planner. He's to journal desires and your intentions to renew your mind. I love using mine for this. We're going to talk about this year, how we're going to be doing that too. Look at the back. Everything always has to be well thought out and how it all goes together. And let me tell you, it be going all together. Guys, I hope you love him. His detail really turned out great. He's adorable, and I hope you love him. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this washi. I chose my, actually, I like to call her the Proverbs 31 lady, but I don't think that's the name of her. But she is a woman I painted several years ago for January, and she's kind of got little snowflakes on her. But I loved just what she represented. And so there she is. And I got little black hearts. All of it really just goes together. Here's the love letters that go on the back. It's the same as that, exact same. And so you got a little bit of black, you got your pink, and I love everything about it. Let's go ahead and go for the stickers. We've got the gnomes, Happy Valentine's Day. We've got some art that has been around. I don't ever want to just give away or forget about last art that has been. I love bringing it back. That's the joy of it. And I love to bring in new every year. So it's some of the classical art that has been with Planner Perfect for a while of mine. And I love making it make a reappearance. We've got this here. We've got the gnome, Happy Valentine's Day. All of my hearts. We've got some of my floral watercolors. A lot of these are done with watercolor here. Some of these are floral art of mine that are watercolor if you're new and didn't know. So here is the beautiful stickers that you can use to inspire yourself when you're planning and writing a better story. And last but certainly not least, the tip-ins, which are one of my favorite pieces. But check out the February tip-in. Ladies, I mean, look at how cute. You get 2 of each. 6, so 12. I brought in my cute owl, Valentine's owl, which I've had a lot of requests to bring him in, just even for charms and things like that. So I thought I'd bring him in for the tip-ins. I haven't seen him in a while, so that's why it's fun. The greatest of these is love. Beautiful. The gnome and the love art. Ladies, there you have it. You have time to get in on this box. You have till the 10th of January to get in on this February box if you are not a member of the box already and a subscriber. So make sure you get in on this box. It's a good one. It's a good one. They're all good. You'll always love it. New art, new ways to get inspired. It's like a fresh start each month. You never grow tired of it. Ruby would be perfect for the Traveler's Notebook to be your planner for this month, for February. Even Jacqueline, the white one, would also be gorgeous. But again, any planner, traveler's notebook that you choose would be gorgeous. Even a beautiful Harper or Sophia, those black ones. But the traveler's notebook to choose, you get to change. You know, we all want change, fresh start, new beginning, and month to month scripting your life of intention is where it's at. Hope you guys love it. You have time to get in on the box. Love you. Until next time.